Hello, in front of me I've got GameSir Cyclone 2. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to PC. There are three ways of connecting this controller to your PC. Firstly, you can simply connect it via USB cable. Connect the USB cable to PC and to your controller. Secondly, you can connect it via Bluetooth. In order to do it, press and hold GameSir button and B to enter Bluetooth pairing mode. Thirdly, you can connect it via 2.4 GHz adapter. If you bought version with the charging dock, connect the adapter to charging dock, connect the USB cable to your PC and to the charging dock, and then press and hold X and GameSir button. It will blink green, which means that it will connect to the adapter. If you don't have the charging dock in your box, simply connect the adapter manually to the PC. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.